Hello, welcome, what's up guys, I am Zarabiaj, and in this tutorial I want to show you how to create stone shovel in Minecraft. It is tutorial for beginners. I will also invite you for my other videos about Minecraft, how to do it, everything in this game. You may also leave like, subscribe, share to others. Let's go. Okay, so what we need to do is wooden pickaxe and dig hole. Okay, and we require one stone. We need one stone to create shovel stone. Now go on up to the crafting table, put 2 sticks on the crafting and 1 stone. And we created stone shovel. And that's all in this video, so thanks for watching. You may leave like, subscribe, share to others, write a comment. Bye bye. See you next time. Thanks.